Yeah, I mean, yeah, we did play on the. I mean, you call them sort of bomb sites in those days, and they did try to fence everything so nobody could be, there was nobody at risk. But we used to climb over the fence and whatever.
Did you?
And have good games on the building site.
Yeah.
But actually, what we used to do is there's 3 flats originally there from Borough Lane to Hanbury. There was 3 original flats, and the rest were built afterwards. And under one there was nothing; it was just empty space. And I used to do a lot of roller skating under this particular one, because when the wind was very hard, it used to push you across. You just go diagonally across under this block of flats.
Oh wow!
But we used to play hockey on roller skates.
Oh, did you? Yeah.
Yeah, it was good fun. My father started a adventure playground, and it was handy because near the railway there was a lot of back-to-back houses, which the people had been taken out of and put into council blocks. And the adventure playground was really good because we took a lot of things from these back-to-back houses that have been where people had been taken out of, and so they built all kinds of towers and all kinds of things. Yeah. They even built a racing track for cycles. It started with a lady who lived in Horn Lane called Biddy Youngday. She enjoyed, helping people that didn't have such a good start in life. Yeah.
And what happened on the adventure playground?
Well, me dad and Biddy Youngday used to go there every weekend.
Where was it created?
It was right next to the school.
Can you remember playing there yourself?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. It's a good. We made stilts and stuff like that. Whatever, all kinds of things. I mean, what was good really was when they used to make these towers. They'd make 2 towers and then have a rope. So you swung from one platform to another. Oh wow! I mean, you can't do that now because of health and safety. One day my dad went over there and he said, "What's going on?" He said, "He was down there. He couldn't even see their heads. They were digging a hole for this telegraph pole to put the telegraph pole in." Yeah. He said, "Get out of there! Get out of there!" All he could see was these heads.